Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Busy, 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 that's how many of us are. We have to go here and there, clean, pick up the little ones, shop, attend to meetings, get stuck in traffic, get back to our emails, and the list goes on and on and on and on. When it's time to cook, we want something tasty, easy to make, and fast. Here's a great one for you. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cashew chicken. I love making this recipe, especially when I'm short on time. There's chicken along with fresh veggies with a nice, rich and flavorful sauce. Served with steamed rice, this is the perfect dish to enjoy on weeknights. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll quickly toast the cashews by spreading them in a single layer on a small baking sheet. I don't, but if you want, you can sprinkle on some salt before transferring them to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll toast the nuts for 5 to 6 minutes. When they're nice and fragrant, we'll remove from the heat and set aside. While they are in the oven, we'll make the sauce. In a bowl, we'll add chicken broth, then hoisin sauce, some low-sodium soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and honey. By the way, I have a great trick when handling sticky ingredients, so check it out by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll give a good whisk and set aside as well. Now, let's move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, which won't take that long, we'll add the chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces. We'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, and saute them for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. If they're still a little pink, it's fine. To this, we'll add minced ginger, then pressed garlic, and a lot of it. We'll quickly saute the ingredients for only 1 minute. Next, we'll add red peppers and the white parts of the green onions. We'll toss them around for 1 minute as well before adding the broccoli florets. We'll combine them into the mixture, place the lid on, and let them steam for 1 minute. It's a quick recipe. Look at this. The veggies will have a little crunch to them without being mushy. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. Now we'll pour in the sauce, stir to coat, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add our cornstarch mixture and stir until the sauce thickens, which should take less than 45 seconds. It's that fast. We'll add the cashews and stir one more time. We'll serve over rice, add the green parts of the green onions, and garnish with some sesame seeds. And my friends, this is our cashew chicken. Quick and easy to make, this is a delicious dish to enjoy on weeknights or when you're short on time. With chicken, fresh vegetables, and a flavorful sauce, along with cashews, I'm sure this recipe will become one of your family's favorite. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!